In this video, you will learn how to transfer Pi currency to your Trust wallet. First, setup. Set up a Trust wallet if you have not already. Download and set up Trust wallet on your mobile device. Then, open Trust wallet. Launch the app and ensure the app is ready to receive crypto. Get your Pi wallet address. Open the Pi network app and navigate to the Pi wallet. Find your Pi address. It usually starts with PI. Open the address on your clipboard. Transfer. Go to the Pi network app and locate the option to transfer Pi. Paste. Paste your Trust Wallet Pi address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Pi you want to send. Then confirm the transaction. After indicating the transfer, wait for the confirmation in both Pi network and Trust Wallet. The transaction may take some time depending on network conditions and how busy it is. Check the Trust Wallet. Once the transaction is complete, you should see the transferred Pi in your new Trust Wallet under the Pi Network Assets section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.